Fox 13's Marissa Lynn joins us now. Marissa, I know you've been looking. Prices are already trending up, huh?
Yeah, that's right, Mark. Prices haven't spiked a significant amount just yet, but in the coming days, as Harvey makes landfall and impacts the Lone Star State, we could see a drastic difference at the pump.
We've seen it before, and I think we can see it again.
It's already happening. Gas prices are on the rise. According to GasBuddy.com, gas prices in every state will be impacted. Over the last 5 days, prices have risen over 12 cents per gallon here in the Bay Area. The ripple effect of Hurricane Harvey is just beginning. AAA says gas prices could jump between 10 and 30 cents over the next week.
Florida gets most of its gasoline that's shipped across the Gulf of Mexico from Texas, Louisiana, and Mississippi to our state. So a storm that lingers, as this one is expected to do over the western Gulf, could have an impact on shipping and our ability to receive fuel supplies.
As the Texas coast braces for the now Category 3 storm, refineries are shutting down operations. 14% of the country's oil production comes from those refineries housed between Houston and Corpus Christi.
When the refineries are impacted by a storm such as a hurricane, it shuts them down. The wind interrupts their power supply. You have flooding that interrupts operations. So that means that there's going to be no gasoline being produced for a bit of time.
Williams says the Category 3 storm could force refineries to remain offline for up to 3 weeks. And for some out filling up their tanks, the spike in gas is a small price to pay compared to what those on the Texas coast may be dealt.
I'm more worried about what's going to happen in Texas because I just heard that there's going to be a 12-foot storm surge, which is horrible.
And GasBuddy.com says storm surge and all of that rain are the largest threats to the refineries on the Texas Gulf Coast. We'll have to see in the coming days just how much damage it all does. Mark?
Sure.